Hey guys, I hope all is well. Today I'm going to edit the item class. So what I've modified, I haven't showed you anything of, yeah. So it's going to be an abstract class, and we're going to start implementing it now. Now, it's an abstract class because like you're gonna have armors, you're gonna have weapons and trinkets and usable items. So each of these items, they need to have different constructors. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so I'm thinking here I might have to create an array. It would be best to have a database, obviously, but I'm using exclusively Java. So I'll have to create an array with the items so that I can randomly generate an item for the monsters, or for the drops, for the drops, or for which item the shop is going to sell. Maybe I don't need it, maybe I can just set it manually for each act. If I need it, I'll do it. So every item has a name. Alright. Every item has an item type. Now, I don't think I need it to define its item type. I can just make it as like a different class. And where are my glasses? I'll be right back. So I can just make it a different class that extends item, and I'll only really need to set a variable for their types. Anyway, so this is like item armor class. This is exclusive to armors. Attack roll exclusives to this and this. So this is for armors, this is for weapons, and then I'm gonna fix my attack. It's been hurting a lot recently. And a property, if it's melee, ranged, or finesse, this is for weapons. Item cost, every item has an item cost. So we will move this. We will move this. There you go. Here. It's Alt Shift. So I'll have to declare the objects on each of the specific classes. So an item takes item name and item cost. Okay, so that's all that this will need. Now let's make a new class. Let's make a new class. That's alright. So we're going to create a new class. Now it's going to be called armors. Or armor. So public class armor extends item. Let me see what is this exactly. So later. I don't think I need to do anything. Okay, so let's create a, we don't need it up, public armor. So that's how you create a constructor. It is. Okay. Public armor. Why is it giving error? Abstract class character. Public abstract class item. There's no error message. Let's go forward with it. So an armor can have a armor can have just copy paste it. So this is armor. And what else does an armor have? It has a required strength. Okay, cool. Stealth. I'm not going to be using stealth. At least not for now. Item. Armor. AC. Armor ACM. And armor strength. Armor strength. requirement. I think there's anything else. So armor is going to take a name. Should it take anything? Because if you go to player, it takes a name. An enemy takes a string name and a player XP. Now the enemy takes its name. This name is taken from random battle, yeah. So this one takes battle. Yeah, so this takes the enemy length. It takes the name of the enemy. It takes the player XP. Okay, got it. And close the dice. And the lore, we don't need it right now. Okay, so this is going to take an armor. Let me think a little bit of how I should do it. Okay, so I assume what the armor has to take int. It has to take these three variables. So let me just create also take a string name, item name, it's already here. Let me put these in the beginning. So pick item name and item cost first, and then it'll take armor AC, armor ACM, and for some reason it will take armor strength. So we're going to add it. This dot armor strength equal armor strength. So every time we create a new item, we will set these stacks. So let's go. Let's create some test items. Armor Dropbox. Act 1. So maybe we should put an attribute to it where it takes a parameter where it will take the act no, we can just create a item Am I doing it right? So I want to create an array. No. I'm creating an array of type item with two no. Why do I never remember how to do that? Here. So public. Okay, so it's actually easier than it was actually how I was going to do it. Get per score yourself, bro. So let's create an item. So item. What item? Item. Armor, do it. Test one. Equal to new armor. So item name. Use armor. Item cost. So let's say it's 10. Armor AC 11. Armor ACM 2. Armor strength required, it's 0. Okay. So this is essentially the first item on the list here. Okay, so we created an armor. Image. Press that. Copy it here. Sync it. Ctrl. Shift down. Yeah. Test do. Judge armor has 12 defense. And it requires a strength of 14. So test armor 2, armor test armor 1, test armor 2. Okay. So now let's go to logic. And we're on the start game. Their name, so let's do it here. dot have to make it public. Yeah, these are static as well. So hot. Love it. So we're going to copy this. Item name, item cost, armor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Item cost. Item AC. ACM. And then armor. Strength. Give me something easier. Let's try to do it. So let's say we want a testing armor array. So we're going to testing armor array. We're going to create a for loop for int I equal to 0, I equal to armor dot armor at 1 dot length. It has to be length -1. So I plus. We're going to south, and then we're going to system.out. So armor 1. So armor, just armor 1, item name, plus armor item cost plus, and here we can already armor AC. So from here on, we can start copy pasting it. Armor cost AC, ACM, armor strength. So armor AC, armor ACM, and armor strength. Okay. So it's working. First try. Thank you guys for watching.